Hello, welcome back to English with Eleanor. Today, in slow English, I am going to tell you an Irish story. So, in Ireland, we have a lot of myths and legends. It's a very popular part of Irish culture, and the story I'm going to tell you today is the story of the Children of Lir. Maybe you've heard of it, or maybe you have a similar story in your country. If so, don't forget to let me know. So, long ago, there was a king called Lir, and he had 4 children. And sadly, when the children were young, their mother passed away. So the king decided that his children needed a new mother, and he married another woman who initially was very friendly and kind to the children, but soon she became jealous of the close relationship that Lir had with his children. So her name was Aoife, and she possessed magic. And so one day she took the children to the lake and she placed a curse on them so that they would become swans for 900 years. So the children were left with their voices. So when their father came to find what had happened, they were able to tell him that the curse had been placed on them. And he was, of course, very upset and spent the remainder of his life by the lake shore, trying to spend some time with his children and mourning the loss of their human lives. The Children of Lir spent 300 years in 3 different places, so a total of 900 years. And then one day, they heard a noise, and it was the ringing of a bell. And this bell was what broke the curse for them. So they swam to the shore, and they were met by a monk. And there in front of him, they began to transform. So their swan bodies transformed into the children that they had been when they were first cursed. And they began to age, unfortunately, very rapidly because they were 900 years old, and they passed away and were buried by the monk at that spot. So this story has many different versions. Maybe you have heard another version of the story before, but here when we have a swan, we always have this thought in our minds about the Children of Lir and that story that we have been told as children ourselves. So if you come to Ireland, you might also find Lir chocolates. There is a brand of chocolate with a swan on it called Lir chocolate, and you will definitely see swans all throughout Ireland and the UK. Do you have swans in your country? Unfortunately, they are few and far between today. There are not a lot to be seen, but sometimes we have a lot of swans coming to this point in the summer and winter months. Let me know if you enjoyed the story or if you have any similar stories in your country, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.